Employment tribunal representation firms versus dispute resolution services. Which one is better for you and your cases? Most teams assume they can handle all employment disputes internally. The surprising truth is that tribunal cases in the UK and can be highly complex, with serious financial and legal consequences if mishandled. Employment tribunal representation firms specialize in representing clients in formal legal proceedings. They understand tribunal rules, evidentiary requirements, and procedural deadlines. For instance, if an employee files a discrimination claim in the UK, these firms guide employers through hearings, prepare documentation, and negotiate settlements or appeal outcomes. Their expertise reduces risk and increases the likelihood of a favourable outcome. Where dispute resolution services, in contrast, focus on preventing escalation and resolving conflicts internally. They provide mediation, coaching, and structured processes to address grievances before reaching tribunals. This approach often maintains workplace harmony and can resolve issues cost-effectively. For example, specialists may mediate a conflict over workplace policies, avoiding the need for legal proceedings entirely. The key difference is formal legal representation versus preventative internal management. Tribunal firms are essential when disputes escalate to courts, ensuring compliance with employment laws, deadlines, and procedural requirements. Where services excel in conflict prevention, early resolution, and maintaining employee relations. The takeaway is simple: for you and UK employment disputes, combining both approaches often works best. Use dispute resolution to prevent issues from escalating, and engage tribunal representation firms when legal action becomes necessary. The surprising truth is that proactive conflict management reduces costs, while specialized legal support protects against high-stakes legal exposure.